Gulls cry out, the waves roll in, a restless wind beneath my skin. No compass points, no star to steer, just the pull of the tide and the call I hear. A whisper says, go on, go far, chasing dreams where the wild things are. I'm sailing without a map, the ocean's my only gap. No borders, no lines, no chain, just the rhythm of the waves again. Oh, I'm sailing without a map. Harbors call with lantern light, but I leave them all in the velvet night. The horizon's edge is my only friend, I'll follow it till the world does end. The moon's a coin tossed in the sea, a wager on what's meant to be. I'm sailing without a map, the ocean's my only gap. No borders, no lines, no chain, just the rhythm of the waves again. Oh, I'm sailing without a map.